Libra. This is your channel messages for the 19th of October. Yes, Libra, let's go ahead and go into your messages. I don't have any pre-messages for you, so if I hear something, I'll say something. Travel safe on the TTC. Let's go. I want to say Virgo. Let's go Libra. First card out is a Queen of Cups. Libra, so you're air, so you're getting more in touch with your feminine qualities. Now usually Libra, you're a masculine sign. If your sun sign is Leo, something about a Leo. If your sun sign is a Libra, so I'm getting usually come off very okay, you don't come across as a normal girl but man can just talk to and sleep with. They have to be more serious when they come towards you. You might wonder why somebody else get more attention than you. It can depend on where they have them Libra placements. Like you'll hear a girl talk and she always friends with the guys. And you're saying that girl's an asshole just like a guy. She's not a girl's girls. Why the guys like her? But when me not friendly like girls and me act like a man, not act like a man, but when your demeanor is like a man, the man them turn against you. It could be where is your Libra placement? Libra sun placement. My rising, not rising, part of my placements is Libra also. So the Libra can show as a masculine energy. The Libra can show as in fairness, how you deal with situations, how you deal with morality. Or the Libra can show as liberation, how open you are with your body, with your feelings, and how you reciprocate information from the world. So you're getting more in touch with your feminine side. So which means that you either have a Libra sun, Virgo moon, Libra sun, Taurus moon, Libra sun, Capricorn moon, or Libra sun, Cancer moon, Libra sun, Pisces moon, or Libra sun, Scorpio moon. You're saying you want, maybe you've seen that even because in the courtroom, Libra, not everybody get justice. Even if you sentence the criminal that you caught with every information and every evidence, the fact it don't bring back justice for the family. Real justice would be a life for a life. You kill this person's family, you're found guilty, you die. That would be real justice. But justice can be bent depending if the sword is two-bladed. Because sometimes, not in all courtroom, the sword is double-bladed. Sometimes it has one blade on it. So I'm getting a saying, maybe I have read books, I went by the book and it never brought justice. After so many, maybe you sentence somebody to prison and the most innocent. I'm getting a saying, because if you are a judge and you're a mother, and you see a 15-year-old coming in your courtroom, are you a judge or are you a mother? So don't make no idiot try to fuck up your life and tell you, say, you have to be more in touch with your feminine energy, thus you need to have kids. Kids don't make you a good mother. Your kids make you fatter, they make you develop patience, and it make you hopefully have the type of personality where all of the bad things you did, you don't teach your kids that. You teach your kids to be a better person than yourself, not like you. Unless you see yourself as perfect. So your kids have to come out just like you. Any fucking ways. The problem, I'm just saying, at what point does the emotional body count? You're saying emotions don't matter in a courtroom. It does. We have a Tower card. I'm getting something, breakdown, Libra, I'm getting something about this woman, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, she a breakdown, she a cry, the Tower. That could also be eviction. We have the Hangman. You got hanged by your foot, and we have the Eight of Wands. I'm not sure if somebody getting caught in a lie, or someone has been caught using someone else's phone. This message is sponsored by Rogers. Rogers wants you to know that if you think that the girl you're dating is fucking on you, we'll prove our 5G service to the test by having her do a tarot reading and no notifications go off on her phone. This Rogers will not be held accountable if you do find your bitch cheating. One more. We have the Four of Pentacles. Okay, Libra. So you is proof, you is fairness. I'm getting somebody wants the evidence. Is this something about somebody want to search your phone and you're saying no? Morally, that's not right. Morally, that's not what you do. Morally, you don't invade anybody's space. Kids invade the space all the time. You ever try to use a bathroom with a kid around? Them will come in there with you and lock the door. Inside of the bathroom with them. So I don't know. I'm getting something out. Yeah, send a lot of text messages out. Yeah, send it out. Maybe you're gonna find out text messages were coming from a Cancer. Because me getting somebody caught and it's like them have to stay inside. Them can't come out. Them can't be seen. Maybe them can't be seen with you at the same time. Because if some, for example, say your friend hack your number. Your friend a text out. She text out information. I don't know if you get back responses or the response I go back to your friend. But me getting something about you and this Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio cannot be seen at the same place. Libra. So again, you get text messages from somebody. It have fit them profile picture. How you know it's them? No, it's her. It's her yeah, I'm talking to Keanu Reeves. I'm fucking telling you. He added me on Facebook. He has 15 friends and he added me on, I'm telling you I'm talking to him. Why? Because it have a picture up? Why? Because I'm saying it's Keanu Reeves? Why? Can I give you one WhatsApp number? I text it. Keanu Reeves that text upon blood clot WhatsApp. Hear this shit. The guy in the Matrix is trusting WhatsApp to communicate his secrets with you. You hear this, fucker? You don't find that suspicious? You don't find that me getting is a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, I talk to you. Me getting our whole shit gonna blow up now. Because I'm getting the rat has been founded. We have the Three of Pentacles. Yeah, but somebody you used to be friends with. Maybe you leave your phone around a girl. She take up your phone and she texts out somebody. Maybe this guy stop talk to you. This guy show up at your place very angry because him see a nasty text where you send him. Me getting a your friend. Me getting you used to hang around this girl. His group of owner was friends at one point. I don't know if a guy give a friend phone and say, hey, can you give this girl your phone? She never gave it. Me getting you don't call her, you text her. Maybe she send a picture. I don't know how that go. The Tower card is clarified by the Emperor. Yeah, Emperor, I'm getting you talking to the friends. You're talking to this Cancer woman. You and this Cancer woman talk right now. Libra. No, again, this could be a man you used to deal with him. I talk to this Cancer girl now. Maybe him talk to her to make her jealous. Maybe he's talking to your friend to make himself feel better. I don't know, but yeah, I'm getting somebody's friends, one of his friends. This man I talk to one of I'm getting him I talk to a friend of yours. No. The Hangman is clarified by the Page of Pentacles. Because I'm getting him meet she on different days or different times. So no don't cross paths with each other. But I'm getting a your friend. Eight of Wands is clarified by the Moon card. I'm getting a Pisces. Pisces is here heavily. And the Four of Pentacles is the Knight of Pentacles. I'm also getting like a lot of water here. Water, like with the water magic. So I don't know if your friend see one guy and she had the magic to steal the guy from you. Yeah, the guy you stalk and she the magic and steal the guy. She the magic for make the guy lose interest in you and more want to be with her. Girl, let me tell you something. In this lifetime, especially with me and dating, okay, do you have a car? Do you have your own place? Do you have a bank account? Yeah, what do you do for work? What do you bring to the table? Are you susceptible to magic? Excuse me? Yeah. Other than your bank account and your money and what you bring to the table and how you're going to treat me and the routine that's going to happen with me and you for the rest of your life, how sensitive are you to magic? Can I expect to be with you and then 2 days later a girl fuck you from me? Because she do magic, she do witchcraft with her period blood? Is this the marriage I'm expected to be in? Should I expect to marry you and then if a girl is envious and she perform any type of magic, any type of pot magic and piss magic and spit magic, because she envious of our relationship, how susceptible are you to magic for you to suddenly just lose interest in me, not pick up the signs that you're under a spell and fuck somebody friend? So you see, recruitment is very hard in these days. It's not only about dick size, it's about can your man survive magic from other bitches who are jealous? Guess we'll never fucking know. Brody, you're a cultist, Brody. Brody, you're a terror reader, Brody. Brody, you do coffee magic, Brody. Brody, you can't deal with a man who, as soon as you deal with him and a girl, but you know about magic. You know when a man operates from a 3D level and when him operate from like some type of alchemic level. You know that. You know when the magic him do is magic he's doing, and when the magic is being done is magic what that's being done from other people. You can feel it. Especially when you and a guy or you and a girl have problems, and there's no need to have problems. Where the problems are come from? Outside. So you have to know. So girl, you are talking about, yeah, man, you have bank account? Nigga, anything, and that's my time. Huh? Yeah, do you car? What kind of car you drive? Do you live in your own place? What do you bring to the table? Are you a nurturer? Are you a provider or are you a giver? Yeah. If I get the magic pan you go fall under magic easily, or you know the signs and symptoms that you're under magic and you can break out of the spell? Because I need to know this. This is important for me, especially for my clitoris health. Anyways, you meet a girl and all of a sudden you start lying to your girlfriend. You start to say nasty things to her. You're under witchcraft, bro, that you don't even fucking know. So how am I gonna do with you? When you're under witchcraft easily. Brody, if it was that easy for them with you, but I do magic forget you. Muna have to impress. Put on fucking perfume, expensive fucking perfume, Brody. Wear my clothes. Acting like I'm a God-fearing fucking woman. I never have to do that. If you were that susceptible to magic, I could have just done magic for fuck you. No me I feel prove myself that me's worthy of your blood clot time and reproduce blah blah blah, and then you did susceptible to magic anyways. But do all that work and then the other girl just to suck with her period blood and bam you fuck her, Brody. Then why did it have to prove that me was a virtuous woman? I never had to do that. I just done a spell. And usually that's how you know if the man you have to, girl, listen to me. They may say that, listen, when I say you're 32, you need to quit this. You need to slow the fuck down. You need to be a mom. You're getting old. Time is against you. That may be true, my all. Remember, say your blood clot, mother Ola. I'm going to leave it here. I'm sorry, I attacked your mom and I had to leave and I couldn't leave, so I had to stand here and hear the repercussions of your mother. Remember blood clot, that's you're old. Your mother Ola, you didn't know? You didn't remember? You don't remember? Okay. You're old. Yes, bitch. That's what happens when you beat death. What the fuck is this? Libra, I got cut off. What was that? Ghetto. Ra-da-da-da. Let's get some final messages for you, Libra. I don't know what the fuck's happening. Maybe them fucking. It could be fucking. We have Beelzebub. Gluttony, corruption, influenced by earthly desires. We have Prophet. We have CIA. We have Mother, and we also have Pazuzu. Warn off others. Warn off other demons. Protect against evil forces. Yeah, Pazuzu is on your side. So, I don't know. Something about your mom. We have CIA, Beelzebub, Prophet. So, yeah, again. Somebody use some strong demons in their magic for either get you away from somebody or to get you to be with them. Getting something about your mom. Okay? And remember, people, sometimes there's two sides of every story. Perhaps the mother wasn't the narcissist. It was her son. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time.